It's getting bigger too, isn't it?
It's so big.
It's marble size.
Oh yeah, at least. I hope the floaties don't pop.
That'll be fine, I think. Look at them hit the water though.
It looks so odd. It looks like they're just jumping up out of the grass. If you look way back there.
Can you get my Crocs, please?
Yeah. You gonna bring one in?
Whoa! What are those big chunks of ice?
That's exactly what they are, big chunks of ice. Some pretty big hail. Holy mackerel. Probably ½ inch. I don't know if you can see way over there. That's the football field. And they have the sprinklers on. Yeah. Timers. Oh, sounds like it's starting to let up.